What's up guys, OnePlus here, back with another video, and we've got the OnePlus 5T today. I've ordered it from Amazon and it cost me about 37,000 or 38,000, and this is the box. Let's see the box. The OnePlus 5, OnePlus and the 5 number here, OnePlus 5T here, and a new view. Okay, let's unbox this up. Let me just okay. Let's see the phone. Come on. It's tight. Okay, wow. Good red box. Let's, whoa. Okay, the phone. It's kind of slim phone. Alright. I bought the black one. Okay, let's put this aside and let's see what's in the box. Okay, this is kind of, okay, quick start guide, OnePlus 5T, safety information. Oh, I've got a case. We've got a silicone case, transparent. I guess we'll see that later. What's else inside? Nothing. Okay, we've got the SIM injector tool here, safety information guide, and we've got some OnePlus stickers. Never settle. Nice. We have, what's in the box? This looks like a dash charger. Oh, come on. Why is everything so tight? Okay, we have the dash charger of the OnePlus 5T quick charge. This must be something, yeah. Let's see this. Output, yes, this is the dash charge. You can see the output 5V. Right, dash charger here. And we've got the type C, right? Yeah, the type C cable for the 5T. Nice. Okay, what else? I think that's finished the box, the charger here. Let's see the phone. Okay, let's turn it on first. This is my first Android unboxing, OnePlus 5. The OnePlus 5T is powered with the Snapdragon 835, and it has a dual camera system as well, 16 and 20, and this one is the 128 gigs of storage with 8 GB of RAM. Okay, so turn it on, and I guess the phone display is about 180 by 2160 pixels, about 401 pixels per inch. This is the AMOLED display. Let's let me just do this and turn the phone on, and I'll show you in a bit. Wait. Okay, I've turned on the phone, and I kind of did the face unlock here, but I don't think it kind of worked well. I don't know, I just tried 2-3 times and it kind of failed. It takes time. Maybe it will learn like the iPhone 10, but I'm not sure about the Android phones. But anyway, this is the phone. It actually very sharp and clear. The phone is very fast indeed. I kind of prefer the OnePlus than the Samsungs and the Oppo and the rest of them, because I think the OnePlus is a flagship phone and you get it at very cheap price. It's affordable and it actually is a very good phone. I will use this phone like for a couple of days and I'll give my initial reviews of the phone. Well, okay, that's the unboxing of the OnePlus 5T, the 128 gig 8 GB of RAM. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video. Like, subscribe, share. See you next time. Thank you.